fist bumps, hugs and kisses, romance, bromance. At the Mesa Police Department, also known as Hanky Panky, Hanky Panky. You see, we're looking at this officer who just looked over here, and he has a smug look, and then he just seemed to nod his head and like he has a disdain.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug. Are you ready?
Looks like the same sergeant.
We're just here to phone in. You guys alright?
John! That's my guy.
Is he your friend?
He's our friend. John's here. No, you can't.
We'll just sit in there for a few minutes.
Okay.
I'll let you know when you get back to us.
Also, because the other officer moved, I thought I could.
Then just give us a few minutes.
Take your time.
All right, thanks.
You see, we're looking at this officer who just looked over here, and he has a smug look, and then he just seemed to nod his head and like he has a disdain for the people recording police.
They do that all the time.
We're just making sure they don't beat you up, man.
No, they're not gonna beat me up, bro.
All right, cool. I don't have you on camera. I just got the cops on there.
Yes. Thank you.
He wasn't on camera, but now they put him in front of the camera. Fuck. These cops are brilliant.
I'm not that old.
I think that one's been closed at least.
Downtown? Closed?
The horseshoe, yeah.
Don't kind of go at all?
I'm not sure what they did with that building, honestly. They moved them before that. But that's probably at least 15 years ago. I bet.
I need to be one.
I think he just gave them permission to go inside and search the whole damn room. Oh, fucking duh. Don't talk to the cops, folks, and don't give them permission to search your shit. they're in there searching his room. I think so. Maybe. Paperwork? Clark. I'm gonna tell you guys something. Look at Clark. If that guy wanted to do something, Clark is not in a stance, in a good stance. So he's in reality, he's not supposed to be just hanging out, chilling, leaning against the car. This shows laziness, folks. Look at it. He has his back towards him. He's leaning. Now he's not facing the camera. His focus was on me just a little bit ago, and he nodded his head like a disdain. You know what I mean? And now look at him. Look at that little stance, and just unhappy because he's being recorded. And I was just gonna come out and I was gonna say, hey guys, Mesa Police Department, just hope you're doing a good job today. Hey fellas, are you up there policing, doing your job? Friendly gestures, nothing. All these Mesa police officers seem to hate people that are recording. You think he's out there telling this man, oh, they have a First Amendment right, man, and they say they're looking out for you, they're just recording us, it's their legal right to do so. It doesn't seem like he's doing any of that. So just thought I'd point that out for you guys. Keeps gesturing over here towards us. I don't know. They're all up in this fool's room.
What's going on? What are we doing?
This girl over there keeps noticing towards us.
Cocaine is a hell of a drug.
see them in there right now. They put the shortest officer to work with the tallest officer on purpose, huh? I'm telling you, man, Mesa Police is a fucking circus, guys. It's a clown show. If somebody should go apply for a job at the Mesa Police Department with the clown suit on and say, like, just like, oh, shout out Mexican Padilla, man. That's what he did once. Went in there and applied for a job in a fucking clown suit. He said, I heard they're hiring clowns here. Outstanding. Fist bumps, hugs and kisses, romance, bromance. At the Mesa Police Department, also known as Hanky Panky, Hanky Panky. All right, check this out, guys. I've been respectful since I've been there at this cop watch. I haven't interfered. I haven't even said nothing to these officers. I kindly ask for his name and badge number and he ignores me. Hey, mind if I get your name and badge number? Hey, mind if I get your name and badge number? Sausage. Excuse me, sausage. Sausage. Look, guys, for no reason, he's all smug. And he doesn't like the public out recording him. He's a sausage. How you doing, supervisor? Supervisor, sausage. How you doing, sausage? Little sausage. Hey, Vienna sausage. Can I get your name and badge number? Vienna sausage. A disdain for absolutely no reason at all. For absolutely no reason at all, guys. I tried to approach them in a nice way and just get their names and badge numbers.
You guys want a card? I'll give you a card so you can see what we're doing. We were just filming them, not you guys. You want a card? I have a card. Actually, I don't. You have a card?
I have mine.
He's got one.
We
We just drove by and saw him.
Huge shout out to Direct D, guys. Much love, bro. Thank you for all your hospitality out here. You guys shout out Nate Skates 182, aka San Joaquin Cup Watch. You guys go subscribe. Also subscribe to Reluctant Prophet. Nice doggy. subscribe to Reluctant Prophet, who's out here with us. We're hanging out with them. So we just did the cop watch here, and the woman came out and talked to us. I didn't catch it on mine because I turned it off. Maybe you caught a little bit of it on DirectD's live stream, but it was just an argument between two guys. Cops came out here in full force, guns drawn, and that was it. Supposedly they had heard that there was a knife involved. Who knows if that's true or something the cops made up? I don't know. Can't say they did. I won't say they did. But what I do know is that over a dispute, they came in full force. Look at the, and I gotta say, guys, kind of a little sad moment, but the woman that works here at the hotel, she kind of came out here and gave them the bad news and said that we're sorry, but management said you guys have to leave. They obviously probably know each other, or probably just, been kind to each other and stuff, so